Hello friends, my name is Ruchika. I welcome you to the English Academy. In our series of Learn English Speaking and Translation through Hindi, our today's lesson is on prepositions of motion. We call them संबंध सूचक अव्यय और यहाँ पर हम ऐसी विभक्तियों की बात करेंगे जो गति की सूचना देती हैं। चलिए सबसे पहले हम ये जानते हैं कि prepositions होते क्या हैं। Some words which join a noun or a pronoun to the other part of the sentence. Such words are called prepositions. In English language, basically there are three kinds of prepositions. Prepositions of place, जो स्थान की सूचना देते हैं, prepositions of time, जो समय की सूचना देते हैं, और prepositions of motion, जो गति की सूचना देते हैं। यहाँ पर हम बात करेंगे prepositions of motion की, जो विभक्तियां संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की गति की सूचना देती हैं, उन्हें हम prepositions of motion कहते हैं। Words like into, along, across, towards, to, by, through, around, up, down, off, onto, over, past. We will discuss all of these one by one. The first preposition of motion is into. It indicates the movement of something from the outside to the inside of something. Like we say, into the pond, into the fire. So something which goes into something. It moves from the outside to the inside of something. Let us see an example sentence. हम कहते हैं उसने नदी में छलांग लगा दी। तो देखिए ये नदी है। Supposedly यहाँ पर कोई खड़ा है और उसने नदी में छलांग लगा दी, तो वो आउटसाइड से नदी के इनसाइड पहुंच गया है। In English we will say he jumped into the river. The next preposition of motion is along. It indicates the movement from one end to the other end. Like we say, along the river bank, along the road. So like this is the river bank and something is happening or something is moving along the river bank. To indicate that, we will use the preposition along. Here is an example sentence. हम नदी के किनारे चल रहे थे। तो यहाँ पर हम नदी के किनारे चल रहे थे। We were walking along the river. The next preposition of motion which we will discuss is across. Across indicates the movement from one side to the other side of something. Like we say, across the road. So this is the road and something which moves across the road. To indicate that, we use the preposition across. We say across the sea. Let us see an example sentence. Market सड़क के उस पार है। ये सड़क है, यहाँ पर मार्केट है। तो आप कहेंगे the market is across the road. Another preposition of motion is towards. Towards means in the direction of. Like we say, towards the north, towards Delhi. Direction जिसे हम कहते हैं दिशा। Example sentence देखते हैं। हिमालय पर्वत उत्तर की तरफ हैं. The Himalaya mountains are towards the north. तो आप कहना चाहते हैं कि जो हिमालय पर्वत हैं वे यहां से नॉर्थ की दिशा में हैं, उत्तर दिशा में हैं. तब आप towards का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Another preposition of motion is to. It indicates the destination. Like we say, to America, to the shop, to your house, to school, or any other destination. For example, when we say, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं. In English we say, children are going to school. So here the destination is the school. And when we want to refer the destination, we use the preposition to. The next preposition of motion is by. By expresses the means of the action. Like we say by train, by coaching, by sea. तो कोई भी कार्य जो आप किसी वस्तु के द्वारा कर रहे हैं उसकी जब आप बात करेंगे तब आप by का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Like when we say हम स्कूल बस से जाते हैं, तो यहां पर आप कह रहे हैं कि आप बस द्वारा स्कूल जाते हैं. This is your means of conveyance. In English we will say we go to school by bus. The next preposition of motion is through. Through denotes the motion within an object from one end to the other end. Like we say through the tunnel, through the room. So through is used to denote such movement which is happening from one end to the other end of a particular thing within that object. When we say रेलगाड़ी 5 सुरंगों में से निकलती है, the train passes through 5 tunnels. So here we are saying that this is a train. It is moving on this track and on the way it passes through. So it goes inside and comes out. So it is moving all along the 5 tunnels. The next preposition of motion is around. Around indicates to go in a circular direction due to an obstacle. Like this is an obstacle in your motion and you go around it. Like we say around the world, around the park. In this sentence, हम विश्व के चारों ओर घूम के आए. We went around the world. So this is the world and we are saying that we went all around the world. The next preposition of motion is up. Up indicates the movement of ascent. For example, this is the ladder and up indicates the movement of ascent. Like we say up the tree, up the ladder. Upward movement. बंदर पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया. In English we say the monkey climbed up. So this is the tree and this is the monkey who has climbed up the tree. The next preposition of motion is down. It indicates the motion or the movement of descent. That is, downward movement. Like we say down the stairs, down the road. Or here I have shown to indicate down the tree. Let us see an example sentence. वह सीढ़ियों से नीचे गया है. He has gone down the stairs. So these are the stairs and he has gone down the stairs. The next preposition of motion is off. Off indicates the motion away from a surface. Like we say off the wall, off the ceiling. So there is something on the wall and when it moves off the wall, that movement indicates off. When we say बिल्ली ने दीवार के ऊपर से छलांग मारी, so what we are trying to say, ये दीवार है, इसके ऊपर एक बिल्ली है. बिल्ली ने दीवार के ऊपर से छलांग मारी. So we are saying the cat jumped off the wall. The next preposition of motion is onto. It indicates the motion of ascent and the present place of anyone. Like onto the table, onto the roof. Like this is the table, so something went up and then onto the table. Sentence देखिए, चोर छत के ऊपर चढ़ गए. The thieves climbed onto the roof. So what we are saying, this is a house and this is a thief who first climbed up and then he reached onto the roof. So we say onto. The next preposition of motion is over. Over indicates the motion to pass above something. Like we say over the pool, over the fence. Like this is an obstacle and you went over it. Such sort of a motion can be indicated by the use of the preposition over. हम बाढ़ के ऊपर से कूद गए. We jumped over the fence. So this is the fence and we jumped over it. The next preposition is past. It indicates the motion to a place further than a particular point. Like we say past the post office. It means this is the post office and the motion has happened past this thing, past this place, past her house. So this person has moved further from this particular point. जैसे कि इस सेंटेंस में मैं डाकघर के आगे से आया हूं. I just walked past the post office. तो आप कहना चाह रहे हैं कि अभी अभी आप पोस्ट ऑफिस के आगे से निकलकर आए हैं. Now here are a few sentences for your practice. Do translate them into English, keeping in mind the correct usage of the prepositions of motion and then go ahead and see the answers. सड़क के किनारे पेड़ लगे हुए हैं. The answer is There are trees along the road. क्या ये बस शिमला की तरफ जा रही है? The answer is this bus going towards Shimla? वे पहाड़ी के ऊपर चढ़ गए. The answer is they climbed up the mountain. पेड़ से उतरो. Get off the tree. हम पहाड़ से नीचे उतरकर झील की ओर गए. We went down the hill towards the lake. ये जहाज इंग्लैंड जा रहा है. The answer is this ship is going to England. The next one is सेना कांटेदार तारों के ऊपर से निकल गई. The answer is the army crossed the barbed wires. पानी पाइप में से बह रहा है. The answer is water is flowing through the pipe. बच्चों ने तालाब में छलांग मार दी. The answer is the boys jumped into the pool. Thank you friends for watching this lesson, and if you liked it, do subscribe to our channel, The English Academy.